Good morning, children. Hope you all are good. So let's start with our English 1 class. In previous video, we have done adjective and its kind. Now it's time to do the exercises. In previous class, we have done exercise A. Now it's time to do the exercise B. This exercise I had given you homework, I remember. So cross check with me whether your answers are correct or not. Pick out adjective of quantity. Means if suppose answer is adjective of quantity, then you have to write Q for it, and adjective of number, then you have to write N for it in the following sentences. They have had enough exercise. This is already done for you. Enough, then Q, because it's a enough is a adjective of quantity. Now there is some coffee in the flask. Again, this some is your adjective of number. Write down some here and in bracket N. She did not eat any rice. Any is your adjective of quantity. Write down any and in bracket write down Q, beta. Most boys like cricket. Most is your adjective of number. Adjectives of number. Write down most and in bracket write down N. William Shakespeare wrote many dramas. Write down many and in bracket write down N, beta. She does not have much money. Much and in bracket write down Q. There are 50 students in the classroom. Write down 50, then N. Number 8, there is a little hope of justice. Little, then Q in bracket, because little is adjectives of quantity. She committed several mistakes. Several, adjectives of number. N in bracket. Step back 7 paces. 7 in bracket write down N for number. Beta, please take out your fair notebooks. On the top write down chapter 8. Make a heading, the adjective. T capital, A capital for adjective. Write down the question for this. What is an adjective? Write its kind with examples. Question can come in any form that, for example, they can ask you like this also, define adjective, write its kind with example. They can ask only this also, what is an adjective, write with examples, write its example, sorry. Okay, this way also they can ask. Write down the definition first for adjective. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun. For example, he is an obedient boy. Underline the word obedient because it's an adjective. Ashoka was a great emperor. Underline the word great. Again, this is an adjective. Archana is a pretty girl. Underline the word pretty. Amit is solving a difficult sum. Underline the word difficult. Now on the top write down kinds of adjectives. A, adjectives of quality. Write down the definition for this. Adjectives which tells us of what. Start with single inverted comma. Of what kind of a person or thing is. Close single inverted comma. Are called adjectives of quality. Full stop. For example, first one you write, the rose is a beautiful flower. Full stop here, beta. After flower, full stop. Underline the word beautiful. This is an excellent book. Underline the word excellent. B, adjective of quantity. Write down the definition. Adjectives which tell us how, again with a single inverted comma start here, how much of the thing is meant. closer single inverted comma, then comma, are called adjectives of quantity. For example, first is there is some tea in the flask. Underline the word some. They did not have any money. Underline the word any. Adjectives of number. An adjective that tell us how, again single inverted comma will start from here, how many persons or things are indicated. Again here close with a single inverted comma. For example, first is few students are present in the class. Underline the word few. There are 20 trees in this garden. Underline the word 20. B1 is your demonstrative adjective. Adjective that point out particular persons or things are called demonstrative adjectives. For example, this book is mine. Underline the word this. That car is small. That car. Underline the word that. Okay, these were the definitions, beta. Write down in your notebooks and have a good day.